Born in 1930 in Yakima, Washington, Jim Rohn was a farm boy who grew up amidst the Great Depression. His early life was marked by hardship and struggle, but it was these very experiences that shaped his vision of success. Rohn began his career as a stock clerk for Sears, a far cry from the influential motivational speaker he would become. However, a chance meeting with a successful entrepreneur named John Earl Shoaff changed the trajectory of Rohn's life forever. Rohn's journey was not an overnight transformation. It took years of hard work, introspection, and personal growth. However, as he applied the principles taught by Shoaff, he began to achieve unprecedented success in his personal and professional life. Rohn's first principle of success is personal development. He believed that success is not something we pursue, but something we attract by the person we become. This means that the key to achieving our goals and dreams lies within us. By nurturing our skills, talents, and mindset, we can transform ourselves into magnets for success. The second principle Rohn advocated for is goal setting. He often said, "Set a goal to become a millionaire, not for the money, but for the person you will become in the process." This principle emphasizes that the journey towards a goal is just as important as the destination. It is in the pursuit of our goals that we grow, learn, and ultimately become better versions of ourselves. Lastly, Rohn underscored the importance of taking responsibility. He believed that we must take full responsibility for our successes and failures. This principle teaches us that we are the architects of our own lives, and every decision we make shapes our destiny. In summary, Jim Rohn's principles of personal development, goal setting, and taking responsibility form the pillars of his philosophy on success. They are not just concepts, but practical steps that anyone can take to transform their lives. As we wrap up this deep dive into the wisdom of Jim Rohn, remember that success is not a destination, but a journey. It's about the person you become, the goals you set, and the responsibility you take for your life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Jim Rohn's wisdom. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the lives and philosophies of influential figures. Stay curious, stay inspired, and most importantly, keep striving for success.